So inside of here is a 3-ton heat pump that the snow had been falling off of this roof, and a couple days ago we put some plywood up to protect it. Well, the protection kind of failed. It's cracked and it's fallen down. I happened to have laid a little board the other day right there, and it happened to catch the plywood and keep it from completely covering up the heat pump. And so down inside here, this little 3-ton, 16 SEER, this little heat pump's still working. And look, that's buried. There's hardly any air getting into it. It's almost all closed off. And I just got out here to this job to work on something else, and I saw that unit all covered up, and I was like, holy shit, what's going on the inside? So I went inside to check and see what the system's doing, all covered up like that, and all covered up in snow and ice with a piece of plywood over the top of it. That little unit's still making 91 degree discharge air. Only the first zone, only one zone's calling because I raised the room temperature. It has been satisfied already. One zone just shut off, and throughout the house it's maintaining 66 in this zone, the lower level of the house. .65 at the main zone. It's 27 degrees where the heat pump is. It's not 27 degrees outside. It's almost 40 degrees now. It's actually warming up. But with all that covering and the recirculating air, it's sitting in heat in 27 degrees, 65 in this zone, and no complaints. That little unit is doing a good job, despite the fact that it's like under that. Here's an update to the heat pump buried in snow in Sun River, Oregon. As you can see on the thermostat, the outdoor unit is seeing -1 degrees on that thermostat, the lower number, -1. At this thermostat, it's 65 degrees and is 65. This is an update. It's a colder day. It's about 3 degrees outside, and because of being under that plywood to keep the shedding snow of this metal roof that's coming apart, see, the snow is dragging the gutter off, and so that's why the heat pump is covered up. It's about 3 degrees outside right now. 65 in the master bedroom zone, 65 degrees on the main floor. Our first stat, -1. Downstairs in the third zone, it is 65 degrees and holding. There's the heat pump under the plywood. And discharge air temperature is 81 degrees with only with only the first zone calling. And now here comes stage 2 of the heat pump. It just kicked on. That's it for an update.